Hi guys, welcome to this new video. I thought today I'd teach you a few things through humor, through a couple of terrible French jokes. They're gonna bring you vocab straight from the 80s, but if you watch any of those movies from the 80s, then it will be useful. If you talk to people over 60 years of age, it will be useful. And you know what? Learning never hurts. So here we go. First joke. Une femme discute avec une amie. And she says, elle dit, j'ai un mari en or. L'autre lui répond. The other one responds to her. Moi, le mien, il est en tôle. All right, here's the joke. The first one, she says, my husband is gold. He's made of gold. Literally, he's in gold. He's made of gold, okay? And the other one responds, oh, le mien, il est en tôle. You have to understand the play on word. Originally, la tôle, spelled that way with the accent circonflexe, is sheet metal, okay? Sheet metal. And spelled T-A-U-L-E means the slammer. And I believe in England you call it the nick, and apparently it's really bad. Never heard that word in my life. But I think you say he's in the nick in England. That means he's in the slammer, he's in prison. Okay? So there you go. Mine's made of metal. Il est en tôle. Mine's in the slammer, really. All right? Very funny. Here's another one about a man who runs over a chicken. Okay, he calls the cops, and he says, what do I do? But here's how it sounds in French. Allô police, je viens d'écraser un poulet. Qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Hello police, I just ran over a chicken. What should I do? And the cops respond, eh bien, plumez-le et faites-le cuire à thermostat 6. Okay, so you have to understand that in the 80s, 70s, 80s, chicken, poulet is how we used to call cops, okay, in France. So we always talked about les poulets. Not anymore, really. It sounds really old, even for me. And I'm really old, okay? So there you go. Les poulets used to be the name given to cops in French. So the cop does respond, plumez-le, which is pluck out his feathers, plumez-le. It could also mean, take everything he has. But in that sense, I think it's really pluck out his feathers. Et faites-le cuire à thermostat 6, bake him at like 350 degrees, okay? And the person on the phone who ran over the cop says, okay, what do I do with his motorcycle? All right, terrible joke. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed these two horrible jokes. If you have any comments, please post them below, and don't forget to subscribe to the entire course. You got plenty of beautiful lessons. If you have any questions on anything, drop me a line at alex@language-city.com, and I'll see you soon at Language City, and you'll see what it's like to speak like a native. À bientôt, salut!